students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0 by using quadratic formula. So to solve this question, the quadratic formula that we know, Sridhar Acharya's formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is for a general quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So comparing these two equations, we can find a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to 3. Now we will put a, b and c in this quadratic formula. So we will find our values of x. So x is equals to minus times b, and b is minus 5, plus and minus root of b square, that is minus 5 square minus 4 into a into c, a is 2 and c is 3, divided by 2 into a, and a is 2. So after calculating this, we will get minus times minus is plus 5, plus minus root of 5 square is 25, minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So it is minus 24 divided by 2 2s are 4. So this is equals to 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 4. So 5 plus 1, we will get 6 by 4, comma 5 minus 1, 4 by 4. So finally we will get x is equals to 3 by 2, comma 1. These are our two solution for this quadratic equation. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.